Changing a car headlight bulb is a straightforward task that can save you time and money. It helps you save money and keeps your car safe to drive by making sure your headlights work well. To replace the high beam headlight bulb, first reach behind the headlight and turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it. Then, pull it out. Remove the connector from the bulb by wiggling it gently until it comes off. Take the new bulb and connect it to the connector. Then place the bulb back into the headlight housing and turn it clockwise until it clicks into place. To replace the low beam bulb, follow the same steps. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Disconnect it from the connector and replace it with the same type of bulb. Then insert it back and turn clockwise to secure it. This method is used when you can reach the bulb from the back of the headlight without removing anything major. In the second method, to replace a car headlight bulb, begin by unplugging the wiring connector from the back of the bulb. Next, remove the rubber cover that protects the bulb. Inside, you will see two wire clips holding the bulb in place. Push these clips inward to release them, and then gently move the clips out of the way. Carefully take out the old bulb. Now, insert the new bulb into the socket, making sure it is properly aligned. Resecure the wire clips to hold the bulb in place, and then put the rubber cover back on. Finally, reconnect the wiring plug to the back of the bulb. Use this method if your car's headlight has a rubber cover and wire clips holding the bulb in place. If your headlight bulb is hard to reach, you may need to remove the entire headlight assembly to replace it. Start by using an impact wrench or socket wrench to remove all the bolts holding the front plastic panel or bumper in place. Be careful and keep track of the bolts so you can put them back later. Once the bumper is loosened, gently pull it forward to give yourself enough space to remove the headlight unit. Next, carefully take out the headlight assembly. On the back of the headlight, you will find a plastic cap. Remove this to access the bulb inside. Take out the old bulb and replace it with a new one of the same type. Once the new bulb is installed, put the plastic cap back on securely. Now, place the headlight assembly back into position and tighten the screws or nuts to secure it. Once done, test your headlights to make sure the new bulb is working. Regularly checking and maintaining your headlights helps keep you safe on the road. This is especially important when driving at night or in poor weather conditions. Clear, bright headlights improve your visibility and make it easier for other drivers to see you.